Hey there, I am warming up my breakfast. These are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. I've got 6 ounces of 80/20, and I'll show you it after it's all seasoned up. There it is, all the seasonings in it. I wanted mild, so that's why I went with the Greek and onion salt and chicken seasoning. I just wanted something kind of mild this morning. So there we go, that's breakfast. I already drank my protein coffee. Y'all, I know there's a roll here. I feel a hip bone. There's a hip bone underneath there. I've never felt any bones in my trunk in all my life. But I feel a bone right there. Ah! We're having 6 ounces of pork steak for supper, or for lunch. And then these are those radishes I fried up a couple weekends ago. So, yeah. Fried radishes and pork steak. That is my lunch today. Supper tonight is some pickled. I pickled them myself with vinegars, a few different types of vinegars and salt and water. And it was cucumbers and peppers and a little bit of onion in there. And 7 ounces of steak. I think it was ribeye that I had pan fried last weekend. So this will be my supper tonight. And there's my macros for today, which is Sunday. Bye.